Yo, what's going on, ladies and gents? My name is Arbuckle. Welcome back to another video. Today we are once again back on Animal Crossing New Horizons, and I wanted to share with you guys how to catch a whale shark. Now, these guys are one of my favorite fish in the game, probably because they are the biggest. They are pretty rare to catch, so essentially these guys can be found anywhere in the ocean. You do not have to be on the pier. In this video, the gameplay that you're seeing, I captured one here on the pier, but you do not have to use fish bait. You can find them anywhere alongside the ocean in the water. So what's interesting about these guys is they're only available in the northern hemisphere from June to September. So currently at this time that I'm recording this video, it's April, so you're not going to be able to catch them right now unless you time travel. But in the northern hemisphere, June through September. If you are in the southern hemisphere, it's December through March. So you may have caught a couple last month if you had the game at that point in time. But again, they are pretty rare to find. What's really nice about these guys is that they're available all hours of the day. So you don't have to go out in the middle of the night to catch them or super early in the morning. At any time that you log in, if you're within these months in your hemisphere, you can run out to the ocean and catch you one. Now, they are the largest shadow, and they have a fin, obviously, since they are a shark. So you'll pretty much know when you find one because they are massive, and they are pretty quick. So you want to make sure as soon as they grab your line that you're reeling them in. These guys you can make a really decent profit off of. They're 13,000 bells if sold to Nook's Cranny. They're amazing, and you can make a ton of money. I've managed to catch a few of these over the last several days just sitting on the pier with a ton of fish bait. And I think if I had to recommend a way to capture them, that would be the way. Sure, obviously you can catch them anywhere on the beach, but if you go somewhere with some fish bait and sit there for a while and just go at it, you'll be able to catch a few of these guys and make yourself some decent money. But that is how you're going to be able to catch a whale shark, again, anywhere in the ocean at any time during the day, June through September in the northern hemisphere, December through March in the southern hemisphere, and again for 13,000 bells at Nook's Cranny. If you guys have any questions or anything else to add about capturing a whale shark here in Animal Crossing New Horizons, please make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to try to help some of you guys out. But I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see all you guys in the next video.